6 steps to 6 figures, how to launch your own online profitable business in 2021. We have the 6 steps for you today. Yes, this is a Discover Here review. This is going to be a really good review and tutorial for you if you're looking to make 6 figures in 2021. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome to this video today. And yes, we're going to break down the 6 steps to 6 figures because I want you to have 6 figures in the future. So don't forget, right below this video, you'll be access to the Discover Here. This actually training. So when you sign up, you can come right to this training right here. So when you sign up, when you go click on the link below, when you sign up, come back. When you log in, you get the information from your email address, come under education and come right to 6 steps to 6 figures. It's that simple and that easy. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel as well. So let's go ahead and break these 6 figures down. So right here, this is the video from Stephen Munson. He is the CEO of Heal, and he's going to discuss the introduction way, the beginning process of 6 figures. I'm going to play a little bit of this video, and then we'll go down to the 6 steps to 6 figures.
Munson, I'm the founder and CEO of Heal, and this is the 6 steps to 6 figures. Now, one of the dreams and goals of entrepreneurs who start building a business on the internet is to earn 6 figures. And if you follow this blueprint, these 6 simple and powerful steps, you will be well on your way to achieving that goal in your life. I'm gonna have and introduce you to Daniel, who's gonna guide you through the process. And now the reason we selected Daniel is because he's a proven example of how this works. He began with our company about one.
And yes, that's Stephen Munson talking about what Heal is all about. You also saw a picture of Daniel Cum, the head of operation of Discover Heal as well. So let's go into the first step as well in this process. Just want to give you a sneak review exactly how this works. And this is something that you need to have in your mind and in your activity every single day if you're looking to make 6 figures. Now, results are not typical. I'm not saying you're going to just instantly make 6 figures, but this is the blueprint, the roadmap towards success. Right. So this right here gives you that, that motivational map towards success. So the first step here, it says buy traffic weekly. You click right here to buy your traffic when you sign up for Heal. When you're a Heal VIP member, you will be access to all this information that you see here, and you'll get a chance to dive into all this content. Now it says access traffic here. When I click access traffic, it takes me right to the traffic page. And then right here, I can start ordering my traffic. I can also watch this video right here that gives me a little bit more information about what traffic is and how to actually order my traffic. So you always have somebody there, somebody guiding you every step of the way. You can always email us at support@healworldwide.com as well if you have any questions or concerns. So just like here, you just start your traffic campaign and you go right here. You start ordering your traffic right there. So if I go back to that same page I was at, I'll go back to education, 6 steps to 6 figures. There's actually a video right here that tells you and teaches you how to do what I just did. So you're not alone. You don't have to worry about getting frustrated. You got somebody guiding you along the way. And if I click on this video here, it tells me exactly what to do.
Hey guys, welcome to 6 Steps to 6 Figures Step 1 tutorial. So guys, in this video, I want to quickly show you and talk a little bit about traffic and why traffic 100% is the lifeblood of your business. If you've never heard that term before, lifeblood, it really just means what you need, what is
That's just a little bit of the information of step 1. I just want to play just a little bit of these videos to give you some idea of what you're getting yourself into and how easy this step process is. 6 figures, 6 steps to 6 figures is really, really easy. And also the rest of the information that says keep traffic flowing weekly to ensure consistency. So that's step 1. Let's move over to step 2. I'm gonna move my box just a little bit. a little bit. I'm gonna move this down a little bit. Okay, step 2, it says ensure your autoresponder is set up and dialed in for maximum results. That's so important to have an email autoresponder, a way you can email your prospects, your customers, your information that you're advertising, your services or products. Now right here is really easy setup to do this. You can click here to access the video setup process for your autoresponder. It says follow the Aweber how-to videos to get properly set up. So if I click here, access videos, I'm going to get access to all this training to set up my autoresponder. This is really, really cool. So once you actually watch all these videos from Lamar Scholes that does a great job of guiding you step by step, you'll have your email autoresponder all set up. Very simple and really, really easy. Yes, you can. So the email marketing autoresponder. And really, all you have to do is click here to set up your Aweber. So if I click there, it takes me to my Aweber and has me to sign in. That's simple and that easy. But when you watch these videos here, it tells you how to do it. Setup process, create your list, connect your Aweber to Heal, importing your follow-up emails, how to get your Aweber affiliate link, and also how to remove the double opt-in. So yes, watch all these videos here before you even get started at all. And then also, just like the step 1, there is a tutorial video, 6 steps to 6 figures, of how to do that correctly. So let me play this video and I'm going to show you exactly what Daniel Kump is talking about. And he's pretty much talking about what I just told you, but I just want to show you exactly what these videos are about. Just a little preview.
Hey guys, Daniel here, back with step number 2 in the 6 steps to 6 figures. Now, 100% an autoresponder is a must for long-term success in an online business. Plain and simple, every major business that exists online has a method and a way of following up via email with all of the subscribers.
Just want to play a little bit of the video, just a couple of minutes. You can watch the whole entire video when you click on the link below, when you get signed up. When you sign up as a VIP member, then you'll be actually getting email notification. So check your email inbox or your spam, and then you can go ahead and log into your back office. Look for an email that says Discover Heal, login information, log in, and come right here once again, Heal, and then under education, and then 6 steps to 6 figures. So the next step 3 here, it says see and speak your goals. Example, 1 new VIP a day. Now right here is very, very important because it's all about your goal setting every single day. So it says write your goals down. So you click on here, you actually can have an information structure of writing your goals down. I'm just going to show you that real fast. And then watch the Power 1, which is a very, very inspirational, exercise here. So the Power 1 is going to be in there. So you click on there for the Power 1. And it's actually a video that Daniel Kump did before. And it's a very inspirational, motivational piece that I think we all should be watching, each and every single week. It reminds you exactly what you're doing and what's the Power of 1 that's inside you as well. And this video here, it just shows you a tutorial, what that's all about. So you just click here. If I click there, it shows me exactly what the Power of 1 is all about. I play this, and he talks about what he was talking about, turn goal setting and things like that. So you watch that video there. So I'm not going to play that because pretty much it's a video of him, Power of 1. I want you to go back and watch that when you get a chance to. So the next one here is the step 4 is going to be YouTube Frenzy. YouTube Frenzy. Post 1 new Heal video to your YouTube each week. What I love about how this is done is that, okay, if I'm not a video type person, if I'm not a person that likes to do videos, don't even know how to set up my YouTube strategy, don't even know how to get videos, if I click access content, it takes me right where the content is going to be held. So this is all the content here. This is all the YouTube videos, and I can click on any one of these and I can load this on my actual YouTube channel. Now you're probably wondering, okay, do I have a YouTube channel? I don't know how to set that up. I'll show you exactly how to do that in terms of the training. So these are the videos you get a chance to load up. And this tutorial here, it actually shows you how to set it up from the beginning to the end. So just click here, and this video here, Daniel Kump, he walks you through it. It's about a 19-minute long video and helps you load your own videos on your own YouTube channel, which is really cool because if you don't have a YouTube channel, you're in the right place at the right time. So let me play just a little bit of this video because I think this would be really good for you.
This is just one of those things that's just rinsed the APCO immunity products, which is basically, that's where all the Heal supplements are. We have educational and then we have motivation. So I'm just going to click in here. I'm going to go into education. Now, I would recommend to you that ultimately, you know, maybe watch some of these videos before you download them and upload them to YouTube. But I've seen personally most of these.
And that's the process I was talking about in terms of loading up your videos up. You can load any of those videos by clicking on Access Content, and then you can load those right on your channel. Watch this whole video. I just want to show you just a little bit exactly what he's actually going over. But when you watch the whole video, watching it multiple times to make sure you got the understanding, make sure you got the information right. And then you can start doing the process as well. So YouTube is a really good untapped opportunity for you to grow your business in 2021. Then we'll move over to step 5, which is post results, value, and lifestyle daily on Facebook. This is very, very important as well because Facebook is over 1 billion users on Facebook right now. Facebook is a powerful, powerful platform for online business and is a great way of making money online as well. Now, if you click on this template here, it helps you with create consistency content, consistent content. So if I click on that tab there, it actually gives me some content material on what I can post. So I have the YouTube video that we were showing earlier, and then I also have photos and I also have quotes of what I can post on my Facebook each and every single time, which is really good because a lot of times we don't know what to post on a daily basis or a weekly basis. And now we have something we can do and strategize for. Also says engage on current and previous posts, which is very, very important because you want to keep the engagement going on, and then add 10 to 15 new friends on Facebook daily. That's something you should automatically do. And it's a good way of building organic, traffic, organic actually customers coming into your pipeline. You can use Facebook as a guide to do this. And then if you just need more information, click on the tutorial here. It actually gives you some examples exactly how to do that. I believe he goes over that, exactly how to post that, and he really does.
So I could download this picture, literally just hit the 3 dots that are right over here. I'll move my picture out of the way.
Yes, he does that. So that video there, watch that whole video training to make sure you got that information as well. So that's a really, really powerful way of really getting your business off the ground organically as well. So really, YouTube and Facebook, these are 2 organic platforms of where you can put your business and your service and your personal touch out there in the marketplace. And number 6 is the final step of the 6 steps to 6 figures is the fortunes in the follow-up. Follow up on all Facebook posts and messages. We kind of talked a little bit about this. Follow up on any email questions, and then write daily emails to your list. So this is very, very important as well because you're going to be building your list through your traffic. This is your traffic options here. This is your email autoresponder that holds all your traffic and your customers and your prospects. And then right here is your goal setting. This is here. You also can get traffic as well, but now we're talking about follow-up. Now here, watch this video too, because Daniel Kump, he talks about the fortunes in the follow-up, and he also has another person on here that actually shows you how to follow up correctly. So definitely watch this video here. I will play just a little bit of this.
All right, guys. Hey, welcome back to segment number 6 in the 6 steps to 6 figures. This is it. This is the home stretch. This is all about the follow-up. Now, you have heard the term before in this industry. Hopefully you have. If not, the money is in the list. So building your list is one of the most important things that you as an online entrepreneur.
That's just a little bit of information about the fortune the follow-up video. Just give you like a review, snapshot, exactly what this is all about. And right here, it says this. This is what I want you to go by. When we head in 2021, we're in 2021. If you're watching this video right now, we could be already in the new year already. But no more excuses. Let's make 2021 the year you launch your business to a whole new level. You got this. You have this. You have a blueprint to follow. You have a video from Stephen Munson that introduced you to Heal. and then why is Heal important to you. And then you also have 6 steps to 6 figures of how you can go ahead and do that with traffic, email autoresponder, you have goal setting, you also have YouTube videos that you'll be posting, you have Facebook content you'll be posting, and Fortune in the follow-up where you emailing your actually prospects and customers each and every single day. And also you follow up with your Facebook posts and messages as well. So you have a blueprint that you can really do. This is really good for newbie proof. If you're just new to the online business space, you want to make money online, you want the 6 figures, you want something better for your life, then this right here gives you the roadmap to success. I'm telling you, results are not typical, but you have something that you can go by. You can keep watching these videos over and over again. This works for really any business. Any online business, you do need traffic. You do need to have a presence on social media. You do need to follow up. You do need to have goals. You do need to have an autoresponder in some sort to grow and expand and build your business. So my name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to click on the link below here to start the 6 steps to 6 figures process. Go ahead and sign up on the link below here. Sign up, and then when you sign up, check your email inbox, log into the back office, and look under education, 6 steps to 6 figures. You have any questions, you can email me in the description box as well, or you can email support@healworldwide.com for more questions or more concerns about this. This is the year for you. 6 steps to 6 figures. Once again, I'm Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But more importantly, click on the link below. Let's get started. 6 figures in 2021 is all for you. I'll see you guys next time. And I can't wait till you be a part of Heal. See you later.